I have recently started sleeping with mouth tape, and if you guys aren't doing it, you should be, because it's life-changing. I feel more refreshed when I wake up sleeping with mouth tape.
Alright, here's why so many celebrities are using mouth tape while they sleep. Basically, if you're somebody who sleeps with your mouth open, you snore a lot through the night, it causes so many issues, with the main two being dehydration and poor sleep quality, which is why you wake up full of brain fog and just feeling like shit. So before I started using it, my girlfriend would complain that I've been snoring the whole night, and I'd wake up feeling like shit, so I'd just go straight for the coffee first thing every morning. So if you know your mouth breathe or know somebody that snores through the night, please give this a try. It's been a game changer for me. I just got mine off the TikTok shop. You get a month's supply for like £10 and they're selling so fast. So if it's still in stock when I post this, I'll leave a link in the bottom corner.